IBM WebSphere Traditional is available on Azure. Let's get started by searching for WebSphere. Let's choose WebSphere Application Server Single Instance. We'll select Create to get started. Let's select a new resource group for deploying our WebSphere Application Server Single Instance VM. We'll select a region to deploy the VM. The offer is available in all Azure regions. The offer is bring your own license, so we must provide our own entitled IBM ID. Accept the terms. Note that we have issues tracker and IBM support, and to get free help with an Azure migration, you can fill out this survey and get in contact with the development team. Next up, server configuration. We'll leave the defaults here. You can provide a DNS label prefix, the user ID of the WebSphere administrator, and you can choose to log in with a password or SSH public key. Let's choose SSH public key. We can choose to have the system automatically generate a new key pair, use an existing key stored in Azure, or an existing public key. We'll take that option and just paste it into the text area. We must provide the username and password for the WebSphere administrator. Now we can see the values are ready to be applied to the template deployment. Let's select Create. While the deployment is running, we can see that the ARM template is calling a number of other deployments, and when the deployment is complete, we will have a WebSphere single node running inside a VM in Azure. Now that the resource has deployed, we can log into the WebSphere Integrated Solutions console. We'll go to the resource group. We can see that a number of resources were deployed for us. We will select the public IP address for the admin and single node server, copy the address to the clipboard, (9043) IBM console, and let's log in with the credentials we provided at deployment time. And we can see we're logged in. And we are able to access all of the service features of the WebSphere application server